Have you ever been scrolling through Facebook and you come across a post you find so interesting and you did the mistake of dropping a comment instead of liking and moving on with your life? And that moment you dropped that comment, people started dragging you and you were like, had I known, I would have just hit the like button and move on with my life. That is the same way it is on WhatsApp. There are some posts your friends will update on their WhatsApp status that you find interesting, and the moment you do the mistake of reacting with an emoji or a sticker, it will just lead to starting an unwanted conversation that you're not ready for.
Oh my god.
In this video, I'm going to teach you how to like any status and move on with your life without having to start any unwanted conversation with such friend or such contact. But before that, it is important to have the latest WhatsApp installed on your device, okay? So head on to your Play Store or your App Store and update your WhatsApp to the latest version. Once that is done, now open your WhatsApp, open that particular status of your friend or that particular contact you love in their status. You will see this love icon beside their status, be it a text written status, a photo status, or a video status. Just tap on it. Once you do, automatically you've liked that post, and your friends will be notified that you like their post, but it will not appear in their inbox. With that, you don't have to worry about starting an unwanted conversation just because you reacted to your friend's status.
Oh my god! Wow!
Let me know if this worked for you in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button, drop a comment and share. See you on the next one.